welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about ferry ride to Victoria. This ride I recently took it last weekend and it was one of the gorgeous trip of my life, and if you guys are here in BC in future, I would highly recommend that you should take this ride. I will mention the link for the website where you can go and buy the ferry tickets. It's basically bcferries.com and the price is very reasonable as well. So let's enjoy the view. I hope you guys like it.
I got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked about. Cause you were so excited for me to finally drive up to your house. But today I drove through the suburbs crying cause you weren't around. And you're probably with that blonde girl who always made me doubt. She's so much older than me, she's everything I'm insecure about. Yet today I drove through the suburbs.
Okay, so basically when you get here, you have to pass through this checkpoint, and then from there on they give you a ticket and then they assign you a lane number. So it's 28, 38, ours is 38, and then you park, and then you can see there's a big line up here. Everybody's waiting to hop on the ferry. Okay, so the exciting part is I met this guy here. His name is Mike, and luckily he works on the island and then he lives in the city life. So we're gonna ask him some questions and ask him about how the island life is, which life does he like better. So hey Mike, how's it going? So how long have you been living on the working on the island?
Actually, I just started the job
Okay.
a few weeks back.
Okay. Which life do you like better?
Actually, I like
Both?
I can't even, you know what I'm saying?
Sure. Well, any exciting stories about the island you want to share?
I haven't get into any exciting stories.
What about the girls? How are the girls on the island? Everywhere girls are beautiful. Eh? There's opportunity everywhere.
City, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, nice. All right, nice talking to you, man.
Big up the 7 better.
Okay, so we are in the ferry now, and you can see the cars are parked in a row here in a very symmetric way, so that's good. Now we're gonna go ferry. So there is a way for elevator where people go and take the elevator. I mean, you can either take the elevator or you can take the stairs. We'll take the stairs. Finally, we can see an elevator, so we don't have to climb more stairs. And the girls with me are very lazy, so they prefer to take elevator. Okay, so let's give you guys a tour of the ferry here. So this right here is, I guess, a quiet area. Very nice area here where you can sit quietly, and obviously I'm disturbing the peace here, but you know, for a couple of seconds it's worth it. There's vending machines here. and then you can sit here and then enjoy the view. I'll shortly show you guys that view. Up. And this is our guy Mike back again here.
What up?
Hey Mike. Alright, let's go. Mike is a very funny guy, you know. Nice guy. Okay. So here we are, another level, another deck. Let's see the view from this deck. Oh, there's a cafe here, so you can actually, if you want a coffee or anything, you can go this way. Let's go check out the cafe. So this is how it looks like when you're at the top of the ferry. Giant barriers. So our ferry has just left the port. As you can see, it's moving now. So that's a great news, guys.
And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. And I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. Guess you didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. 'Cause you said forever, now I drive alone past your street. And all my friends are tired of hearing how much I miss you, but I kinda feel sorry for them, 'cause they'll never know you the way that I do. Yet today I drove through the suburbs and pictured I was driving home to you. And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. Oh, and I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. I guess you didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. 'Cause you said forever, now I drive alone past your street. Red lights, stop signs, I still see your face in the white cars, front yards, can't drive past the places.
So we have met this other guy here. He's also very interesting. His name is Jimmy, and he is from my state, obviously Punjab. So I like that fact really much, and it was nice talking to him. So he actually has lived in Victoria for a while, so we're gonna ask him some questions and let's see what his reaction is, and let's hear some exciting stories from him. Hey Jimmy, so tell me about Victoria. How long have you been there?
I've been there, Victoria, 5 years maximum.
5 years. Oh wow, that's a long time. And how do you like it?
I like it. It's beautiful, but it's very expensive.
Very expensive?
Very expensive.
What are the things that are expensive about it?
Especially expensive according to house area in all over the Victoria.
Oh,
And
are you moving from Victoria?
yes, I'm moving.
Where are you moving to?
I'm moving Victoria to Kelowna.
Kelowna. Oh, that's
Yes.
also a nice place.
In
Were you working there when you were living in Victoria? Or?
Yeah, I'm working in hospital.
Hospital.
In
Okay.
the security dispatcher.
Oh, nice. Is there anything exciting about Victoria that you want to describe? Any interesting story, you know?
It's quiet, beautiful.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Greenery.
What is the best place you want to visit when you're in
Best
Victoria?
Best place, the Parliament House,
Okay.
Blue Lagoon, and Beacon Hill.
I've heard Bouchard Garden is also.
Blue Lagoons, Souk Road,
Souk Road.
Beach, French Beach, China Beach,
Okay.
and Coldstream, West Shore.
Okay.
And
Oh, there are so many places, I guess.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. So I guess
So-
if we have to come next time to visit Victoria, we should plan for like at least 2-3 days, you know, because there are so many
Yeah,
places.
yes, yes.
All right. Well, it was nice talking to you, Jimmy.
Yes, yes. I also thank you to you very much.
No worries.
I could never speak in tunes before, but for you I could write a symphony. If only you could sing along. It doesn't even need to be in key. Is what I have enough for you? Or do you need all the things that I don't? Separate all the lies from the truth, picking up the pieces. So can we hide? I need you close. Can we pause this moment?
Okay, so I got to this interesting point where the water splits into two different colors. So you can see a regular bluish color, and then there's green color here. You can see. I've always seen this in like online videos and stuff. Never knew that I'll get a chance to see it.
Yes, everything changes, but we still feel the sameness. Slip away as we fade away. Can you make me feel that you will never leave? Will it ever be the same again? We hold each other just to stay in place. Maybe I'll just be the
Okay, so we have reached the end of the other end of the journey, which is Victoria Island, and please stay tuned for my next vlog where I'll be posting my tour in Victoria and day well spent in Victoria. And this was a very fun ride, actually, you know, very relaxing. This 1.5 hour journey made me look like 15 minutes journey, to be honest. It was really nice.